My brother was in the Air Force, and he was stationed in Europe, and I always thought it was some kind of great poetic justice that the Romanians had something called the Ploesti oil fields, and they were getting oil out of the ground, and they were bombed by the Nazis. And my brother in the Air Force in Italy at the time was one who helped get the planes off the ground that went over and bombed all hell out of Nazi Europe. And I always thought that that's giving them back for Ploesti.